Hey, welcome to Mirrorverse Education. Today, we're looking at circumference of a circle. So, let's get into it. Matt is trying to figure out how many times a 24-inch tire rotates in order to travel 1 mile. Why? Well, he's probably just curious, I guess. All right. He knows that he first must figure out how far a single rotation of the tire travels. If the tire has a 24-inch diameter, how far does the wheel travel in one complete rotation? All right, first off, the rotation is just how far does the wheel travel one time around? All right. Before we can really dig into this question, we need to know what is being asked here, okay? It's really asking, what is the circumference of a circle with a 24-inch diameter? Okay. Before we can answer that question, though, we need to know what is a circumference and what is a diameter. Circumference is that distance around the circle, okay? It's like the perimeter of the circle. The diameter is that distance all the way across the circle. All right, so let's go to the formula now. For circumference, we take pi times the diameter. And by pi, we usually represent it as 3.14. It's really a much bigger number, but we usually round it to 3.14. So circumference, we type in 3.14 into our calculators, type times, and then whatever the diameter is. And that's how we calculate the circumference of a circle, okay? That's it. So for this circle here, we type 3.14 times 24 because 24 is the diameter, and we're going to get 75.36. That's it. A 24-inch tire will travel 75.36 inches in a single rotation. All right. That seems really far, but the math doesn't lie. All right. So, what if we're not given the diameter? Let's find out. Anna's looking at a pizza slice in her hand. She's not a fan of crust, but wonders how much crust is there on the whole pizza. She measures her slice because she doesn't want to get anyone else's slice messy with her hands, and figures out that it's 8.5 inches. So approximately, how much pizza crust is there on the whole pizza? All right, again, we got to pause, and we got to think, what is actually being asked? What is the circumference of a circle with an 8.5 inch radius? All right, from last time, we know what a circumference is and we know what a diameter is. But the radius is the distance halfway across the circle. It goes from the circumference to the center of the circle. It's halfway across the circle. All right? So again, let's look at that circumference formula. Pi times diameter. All right, but this time we don't have the diameter, okay? And for this formula, we need the diameter. So that means we got to take this radius and convert it to diameter, okay? So diameter is 2 times the radius because the radius is halfway across the circle. The diameter is all the way across the circle. So there's 2 radiuses in a diameter. So 2 times the radius. So in this case, 2 times 8.5 will give us the diameter. So diameter is going to be 17 inches. So this pizza is 17 inches all the way across. All right, now we can use our circumference formula, 3.14 pi times 17. So our circumference is 53.38. So the pizza with an 8.5 inch radius, or that slice of pizza is 8.5 inches long, has approximately 53.38 inches of crust. That's a lot of crust, but hey, again, it's the math. So, if you want to know what we're doing or see more examples like this, visit us at mirrorverseed.com. All right? Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. Adios.